You're a visionary with grand dreams, aspiring to success and the life you've always imagined. Yet, there's a stumbling block. You tend to succumb to laziness. Despite knowing exactly what you should be doing, you delay action. And that inaction breeds guilt, because you know deep down you're capable of more. Over days, weeks, and months, this guilt accumulates until it transforms into resignation. Then, the new year arrives, bringing with it the same recycled goals from the year before. You begin with a burst of motivation, buoyed by hope and a hint of delusion, only to find procrastination gradually creeping in, much like an uninvited guest who refuses to leave. Before long, this habit becomes a daily cycle and you start to label yourself as lazy. So how can you break free from this cycle and conquer procrastination once and for all? While countless online videos offer tips, most merely address the symptoms, suggesting you delete social media apps or remove distractions. Although these tactics might provide short-term relief, they miss the mark by not targeting the root cause: inertia. In physics, inertia is the tendency of objects at rest to remain at rest, and those in motion to continue moving, unless acted upon by an external force. This principle, famously captured by Newton's first law of motion, applies just as powerfully to our tasks and habits as it does to physical objects. The hardest part? Getting started. And the reason you're stuck is because your brain sees big goals as overwhelming. Write a book? Too hard. Get fit? Too exhausting. Start a business? Too much work. So instead, your brain seeks comfort, scrolling, watching, wasting time. But there's a way out. You don't have to fight against yourself. You just have to trick your brain into movement. Here's how. Step 1. Make it small. Big tasks feel scary, so shrink them down. Want to write a book? Just write one sentence today. Want to get fit? Do one push-up. Tiny steps feel easy, and easy means you'll actually do them. The key is progress, not perfection. Climbing a mountain starts with one step, so take yours. Step 2, create easy routines. Willpower runs out, but habits stay. Make things automatic. Want to exercise? Lay out your shoes the night before. Want to drink more water? Keep a bottle next to your bed. Simple routines remove friction, making action effortless. Step 3, the 2-minute rule. If something feels hard, just commit to 2 minutes. Read one page. Clean one corner. Open your laptop and write one sentence. Once you start, momentum takes over, and before you know it, you're doing way more than 2 minutes. This works because objects in motion stay in motion. The hardest part is starting, so make it easy. The people you admire, they struggled too. They just kept going. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to start. Think of your dreams like a fire. Right now, it's just a spark, but every small action is fuel. Keep adding fuel and soon you'll have a roaring blaze. So, what's your first step today? Remember, success isn't about being flawless. It's about being consistent. Small efforts done regularly create massive change. But you can't stay consistent if you never start. Start now. Even if it's small. Your dreams are waiting. Go make them happen.